Hello dear students, today we are learn about the next practical or next exercise, that is preparation of media. So as we know that media means what? These are the group of the substance on which the growth of microorganism is takes place. Or the another definition is there is a composition or nutrient or composition of nutrient is used for the growth of other microorganisms. Or the third definition is the substance on which growth of microorganism is takes place is called as an media. So let's see the objectives of preparation of media. Why we prepare the media? Okay, so first one is why we prepare the media, because that if you should know the which are the types of media, then what is the use or role of media for the other microorganism. First one is second one is to understand the decontamination or sterilization process using in autoclave, because for sterilization of media we require the autoclave, and you should know the mechanism of autoclave or what is the role of autoclave during sterilization of media. Then to learn the procedure used in preparing the media, that means you should know the how we prepare the media and how it is helpful for the growth of microorganism. Next one is the culture media. Okay, that means we already told the definition, that is the substance on which the growth of microorganism is takes place is called as an media or culture media. Okay, then let's see the culture. So culture means what? It is a growth of any microorganism on media. It is a growth of any microorganism. It may be fungi, bacteria will be there. So depending on type of fungi and bacteria, different media is required. Okay, so if when there is a growth of any kind of fungi or bacteria, so it is called as an culture on media. Okay, the next one is the what are the good characteristics of good media, or how the media is required for the growth of microorganism. It required certain characteristics. So first characteristics in media is it should be free from microorganism. That means suppose if you prepare the media in conical flask, so in conical flask whatever the media is there, so that media is completely free from microorganism, they do not having any kind of contamination. Second, the media should contain the proper amount of moisture. That media is also contain the enough amount of water or moisture, because we want to grow the different kind of fungi and bacteria, and for growth of fungi and bacteria water is required or moisture is required. The next one, whatever the media is prepared, so the pH of media should be proper, that is within 5 to 6. pH of media should be 5 to 6, that means neutral media is required. Then next one is the media should supply all required nutrients for the growth of fungi. For example, if we want to grow the fungi on media, so as we know that for the growth of fungi, the artificial media is required, that is PDA, that is potato dextrose agar media. On that potato dextrose agar media, that is PDA media, the good growth of fungi is takes place. So that the media should having ability to provide all the essential nutrients for the growth of fungi. So that characteristics it possesses on that media. That means first one is that media should free from microorganism. Second one, it should have a proper amount of moisture. Third one, it should have proper pH. And last one, that media should supply all the essential nutrients which is required for the growth of fungi. Next one is here, what is the composition or what are the composition of PDA media, that is potato dextrose agar. So what is the quantity of potato dextrose and agar is required to prepare that media. So for preparation of media, potato is required near about 200 to 250 gram, peeled potato, that means we remove the layer of that potato. Next one is dextrose. The spelling mistake is there, dextrose. It is not dextrose, it is dextrose. It requires, dextrose is a name of powder. So dextrose is a chemical, is required 20 gram. Then agar agar is required. Agar agar is a chemical, or it is called as a solidifying agent, because media gets solid if you add the agar agar during the preparation of PDA media. So agar agar is a chemical or powder, it required 20 gram, and distilled water is required about 1000 ml or 1 liter of media. That means 1 liter of water, agar agar chemical, that is 20 gram, dextrose 20 gram, and peeled potato, that is 250 gram. That are the ingredients is required for the preparation of PDA media. Next we see the how we prepare the media. Then next we discuss about the common media for the bacteria. Okay, in previous slide we discussed about for the growth of fungi, or if you want to grow the fungi on media, so which media is required? PDA for the growth of fungi. And for the growth of any kind of bacteria, nutrient agar media, that is NA media is required. Nutrient agar media is required. So what is the composition of nutrient agar? Beef extract is a chemical, that is 3 gram, peptone 5 gram, NaCl 1 gram, and agar agar powder is 15 or 20 gram, and distilled water is 1000 ml. So the procedure for the preparation of PDA media and NA media both are similar, only slightly change is there. If you keep in mind the change, what is the change in between the two procedure preparation of that media, so it is very simple for the understanding. So let us see the procedure of preparation of PDA media. Here first point, in case of preparation of PDA, that is potato dextrose media, which is required for the growth of any kind of fungi artificially. So composition we already discussed here, potato 250 gram, dextrose 20 gram, agar agar 20 gram, and distilled water 1000 ml. Okay, so next procedure is that we cut the peeled potato with the knife and make it into the small pieces. Just we have to cut the peeled potato with the help of knife. ओके, सोललेला जो बटाटा आहे तो बटाटा आपण सुरीच्या सहाय्याने त्याचे बारीक बारीक काप किंवा कट करायचा आहे आणि त्याचे बारीक पीस करायचे आहेत. नेक्स्ट वन इज मेजर द रिक्वायर्ड क्वांटिटी ऑफ इन्ग्रेडियंट्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ वेइंग बॅलन्स. दॅट मीन्स with the help of weighing balance, whatever the ingredients is required, you should measure with the help of weighing balance. Okay, so which ingredients is required? Potato 200 gram, dextrose 20 gram, agar agar 20 gram. We have to measure that ingredients with the help of weighing balance. Third one is measure the required quantity of water with the help of measuring cylinder. So with the help of measuring cylinder, we have to measure the required quantity of water. So what is the quantity of water? That is 1000 ml or 1 liter of water. That means then we have to take a small container. In that container add 1 liter of water, and in that 1 liter of water add all above measured ingredients. Okay, so that is put all the ingredients into container which containing 1 liter of water. Then that container we have to hit the flask or container with the gas. We have to hit the flask or container with gas, and we have to stir it continuously to dissolve all the ingredients. With the help of rod or glass rod, we have to stir continuously so that the agar agar powder, dextrose powder, it dissolve in water by continuous stirring. After continuous stirring, or after 20 to 25 minutes after heating of media, the content of potato and all ingredients is dissolved in water. Then filter the media with muslin cloth into conical flask. That means we have to filter whatever the media is prepared in conical flask. So with the help of suppose this is muslin cloth is there, so through that muslin cloth we have to filter that media into another container or another conical flask. We have to filter the media. After filtering media, only the liquid 1 liters of water is get filtered into the conical flask, and only piece here on above muslin cloth only pieces of potato is remaining. Then after preparation of that media, here here media is prepared, so that media is plugged with the help of cotton plug. ओके, विथ द हेल्प ऑफ कॉटन प्लग म्हणजे कापसाच्या बोळ्याच्या सहाय्याने आपण काय करू शकतो, हा मीडिया जो आपल्याला तयार झालेला मीडिया आहे तो तयार झालेला मीडिया कापसाच्या बोळ्याच्या सहाय्याने आपण पॅक करू शकतो टू अवॉइड द कॉन्टॅमिनेशन ऑफ अदर मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम. बाहेरची हवा किंवा बाहेरचा मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम ह्या मीडियाच्या आतमध्ये येऊ नये ह्यासाठी आपण कापसाच्या सहाय्याने तो पॅक करून घ्यायचा. नेक्स्ट, दॅट मीडिया इज स्टरलाइज द फ्लास्क इन टू ऑटोक्लेव. आता तुम्हाला अगोदर सांगितले होते की काय, व्हॉट इज द रोल ऑफ दॅट ऑटोक्लेव. दॅट ऑटोक्लेव इज यूज फॉर द स्टरलायझेशन ऑफ media. So whatever the, if any microorganism is present in that media, so that microorganism is killed by the sterilization process. So that media is kept into the autoclave for the sterilization. So within 15 minutes the media gets sterilized because the temperature is reaches, or the temperature of autoclave is reaches up to 121 degrees Celsius within 15 minutes. So that if any microorganism is present in that media, so that media gets sterilized. And after that sterilization of media, we have to remove the media from the autoclave, and that media is ready for the use. And that media is used for the, or on that media we have to grow any kind of fungi artificially. So this is the general procedure of preparation of PDA media. So again we discuss here what is in key point, or what is the key point of that preparation of PDA media. Cut the peeled potato with the help of knife. Next, we measure the required quantity of ingredients with the help of weighing balance. Third one, we measure the water. Fourth one, put all ingredients into the water in container. The next, heat the container or the flask with the help of gas. Then during heating we have to stir the flask continuously so that all the ingredients get dissolved. After that we have to filter the media with the help of muslin cloth. After filtering, whatever the media is obtained, so the media get collected in conical flask. That conical flask is put into the instrument, that is autoclave, for the sterilization of media. And after sterilization of media, that media is used for the growth of micro or growth of fungi. So this is the general procedure of preparation of PDA media. So same process is for the preparation of NA media, that is nutrient agar media. Same process, only slightly difference in there is in there the constituents or the composition of media. Here for the preparation of NA media, composition is required, that is beef extract 3 gram, peptone 5 gram, agar agar 20 gram, water 1 liter. That is only change is there. In PDA media, potato is used. In case of NA media, instead of potato, beef extract is used, that is chemical is there. And then instead of dextrose in PDA media, we use the peptone in NA media. Otherwise agar agar and water get same, and same process is conducted. Just we have to replace the first point, that is cut peeled potato we should not write while writing the procedure of NA media. Otherwise same process is there, same process, that is the procedure of preparation of PDA media and NA media is same. Only difference is there, the composition or ingredients is required. And second difference is there, which in case of NA media you should don't write the first point, that is cut peel the potato with knife and make it into the small pieces, because potato is not used in case of NA media or during the preparation of nutrient agar media. Otherwise all are same. Okay. Okay, same. The procedure is given here. Measure the required quantity of water with the help of measuring cylinder. Second one, put all the ingredients into the container. Whatever the measured ingredients is there, that is beef extract, peptone. Next one, agar agar. That ingredients is put into container. The next, heat the container with the help of gas. Second one, after heating, filter the media with muslin cloth. Next one, plug the flask with cotton plug containing media, then sterilize the flask in autoclave, and last one is media is ready. That means the procedure of preparation of PDA, that is potato dextrose agar media, and NA media is same. Only difference is in there the ingredients required. First ingredients required is different, and second one is peeled potato is not required in case of NA media, where it is required in PDA media. So both the process are very similar. So in short, we again learn about here what is the role of that ingredients in case of PDA and NA media. So why the potato is used? What is the role of potato? Because that potato, it supplies the carbohydrates which is required for the growth of fungi. Dextrose, it provides the carbon, it provides the carbon which is required for the growth of fungi. Agar agar, it is a solidifying agent, that is media gets solid due to the utilization of agar agar. Last one is distilled water, it provides the moisture for the growth of fungi. So this is the role of potato, dextrose, agar agar, and distilled water in case of PDA. In case of NA media, what is the role of beef extract? Beef extract is also, it provides the carbon which is required for the growth of bacteria. Peptone, it provides the nitrogen which is required for the growth of bacteria. Agar agar is a solidifying agent, that is it, the media becomes solid, media घट्ट होतो. And last one is water, it is up to 1 liter, it provides the moisture. So this is about the role of each and every ingredients while preparation of any kind of media. So friends, this is all about the preparation of PDA media and NA media. So if you have any difficulty regarding that preparation of media, so you should ask me. Thank you.